What is covered in this unit? How to investigate current practices in relation to resource usage, set targets for improvements, implement performance improvement strategies, and monitor performance. Let's start by watching some short video clips. These will show you how banana growers, office workers and building designers investigate current resource usage, set targets for improvement, implement strategies and monitor performance.
More North Queensland banana farms are improving their environmental performance, bringing benefits for local waterways and the Great Barrier Reef. While some growers have been using better practices for years, others are now coming on board thanks to a set of guidelines known as Best Management Practices, or BMP.
Okay, since the BMP was introduced in 2013, we've had 90 growers in North Queensland participate, which represents over 50% of production in North Queensland. We will continue to promote it. Obviously we've had a great start with the program, but we will continue to promote it because it's with everyone doing their part and actively improving their activities that we'll get the greatest gain as an industry. Everything we're trying to do is aimed at improved environmental performance as well as maintaining sustainability and improving our costs.
Soil runoff is good for the Great Barrier Reef because fish and coral love dirt and pesticides. True or false? Reducing soil runoff from farms. Choose 3 correct answers. Keeps the fertile topsoil on the farm and so saves farmers money by not needing to fertilise as much. Keeps the local creeks and rivers clear. Drag and drop to match up. Match the items in the right-hand column to the descriptions in the left-hand column. Direct water runoff into water traps. Put the actions that the company took in order.
Objectives of the final design were to eliminate reliance on air conditioning, minimise energy consumption, maximise the use of passive environmental features, increase awareness of environmental issues among the staff and broader community, set environmental standards for future government facilities, reduce consumption of mains water, minimise recurrent costs, maintain existing environmental characteristics of the site, and provide value for money to achieve.
Drag and drop the design features that contributed to a 75% reduction in greenhouse gas emissions. Congratulations! You have completed the first section. Issue: change in climate due to an increase in greenhouse. Look at the pie chart and then order the sources of carbon, CO2 emissions, from highest to lowest. Life cycle of products explained. The full life cycle of a product takes into account the environmental cost of producing it, transporting it to market, how many times it can be reused. When it is no longer useful, can it be recycled? Will it decompose? Or will it add to landfill or some other damaging outcome like litter that can harm wildlife or sea life? Congratulations!
The Tasmanian government had plans to dam the river. It was to be part of a massive hydroelectric scheme. But in 1983, these plans came to an abrupt halt.
Match the environmental event with the level of government that has responsibility for controlling it. In the left-hand column, who would you tell if you noticed an environmental hazard, e.g. a chemical spill? Type your text here. Order the steps in estimating the water and money that could be saved by introducing a dual flush system. What do you think each of the staff listed below could make suggestions and recommendations on relating to their work areas? Reduce the overuse. Scenario. At your workplace, they use tap water to water the grounds. Documenting a sustainability audit. You are almost there. You have done so well. Hang in there and complete this task. What would these famous people do? To name a few, Jane Goodall, Madonna, Leonardo DiCaprio. To recap, the things you need to do are investigate current practices in relation to resource usage, set targets for improvements, implement performance improvement strategies, monitor performance, and celebrate your success. Congratulations! Provide